What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a mug warmer. This is for my morning people and some of my night shift people that try to stay up during the night when they at, their night shift or whatever. So this is for my coffee lovers, this is for my tea lovers, and I just want to say that sometimes even when I'm upstairs, I don't drink my tea real fast. It gets cold after a while and you just want to keep it warm, and this will be the perfect product for you. All right, so as it comes out the box, it looks very nice. It looks modern. It actually looked like a wireless charger, so that's pretty cool. You can't even tell what it is. So this would definitely look nice in the kitchen or wherever you keep your coffee. This will actually be nice in your office, you guys. So if you have your own little personal office, or you have your little personal office space, if you have an outlet, then you're good to go. Okay, you guys, so I did use this upstairs. My wife used it and she likes it, and I think this is a pretty cool product to have, especially if you maybe you work at a cubicle at work and you need to keep your coffee warm, you need to keep your tea warm. You might walk away, sometimes you're working and you don't drink as fast, and this will just keep your coffee and your tea warm. Now, what you have to do is you have to hold this down for at least 1 second. Let's see. Oh, a little bit more than 1 second, you guys. Well, here it says 1 second. There you go. All right. If you tap it again, it goes to 131 degrees Fahrenheit and then 55 degrees Celsius. You hit that again and it's 149 degrees Fahrenheit and 65 degrees Celsius. So you have different levels, and you hit it again, it turns off. So you got to hold it again for it to come back on, and then that's it. Now, you might not, for safety precautions, don't put your hands on the plate, you guys. You saw those temperatures right there, and you do not want to burn yourself. So keep it somewhere very nice on your desk, or keep it on your kitchen counter. Make sure you keep it away from kids and stuff like that. But that's it. It's simple, easy. Other than that, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.